Here's a quick tutorial on how to remove background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a clip from my Premiere Pro Masterclass where I was giving an example of bad audio. So let's take a listen.
Hey, this is Phil in my backyard, and in this practice lesson, I want you to
So you can hear a lot of freeway noise in the background. There's a new effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC called Adaptive Noise Reduction. So if we take that effect and pop it on here, you'll see that it's added in our effects controls window. And if we click edit, you'll see the options pop up. And you can see that there's default presets. And then if you click down this, there's different types of removal. So de-reverb, so that can help with a little bit of echo, heavy noise reduction, light noise reduction. Let's just play through and see what it sounds like. And when I play through it, it's actually going to start with the original audio and then it's going to apply the effect. It's kind of monitoring as you play through. So let's just take an example. So let's play through right now.
improve the audio of this video. I'm using the Rode Video Mic.
So you can kind of hear in between after I started playing that it included some of that noise reduction and some of that background noise disappeared. Let's play one more time.
Pro, it's an external little shotgun microphone plugged into my Canon 70D to record this audio.
So there you have the audio that sounds better. So let's go ahead and try the heavy noise reduction, which just changes these different effects right here, these different settings.
The Rode Video Mic Pro, it's an external little shotgun microphone.
That sounds really good. So let's play it without it. So if I click bypass over here in the audio effects window.
I'm using the Rode Video Mic Pro.
Now with it on.
It's an external little shotgun microphone plugged into my Canon 7.
So really amazing effect. One other thing we can do is check this high quality mode, which takes a little bit longer, but it does it even better. So if we play through this one more time, let's hear it.
To record this audio, but I'm outside behind me. They're probably
completely different than what it had before. So let me just delete this effect from this part of the clip, and then let's just play through it from here.
Shotgun microphone
with noise reduction.
To record this audio, but I'm outside behind me. They're probably about a mile away. There's a freeway, but
now without noise reduction.
The audio too. I'm just sitting in my back.
Amazing. Premiere Pro and Adobe are working hard to give us all the tools we want. So that's just a quick update to how you can remove background noise right within Premiere Pro.